Okay, so here we are. I am Austin Powers. I have been invited to join Xero. Now, I haven't done this for a long time. There we are, Austin Powers. So I'm learning this too. Hello, Austin. FieldReady would like you to access their account at Xero. FieldReady uses Xero to help manage their business. To accept this invitation, please use the following link. Okay. Right. Okay, FieldReady would like you to access blah blah blah. Yes, I would like to accept the invite. Right. First name Austin, second name Powers. Yes. Email austin.powers@fieldready.org. Password groovy, baby. That's my password, believe it or not. Okay, please ignore the messages. There we go, selected my location. Please don't send me any marketing communications. I'm Austin Powers, man, I don't need that stuff. I have read and agreed to the terms of use and privacy notice. Whoever reads that, agree. Create. The password does not meet the minimum requirements. Okay. 8 or more characters, one of which should be a number. Okay, we can do that. Groovy. Baby. This is harder than it seems. Right. Create. See what we got. Right, there we go. So if I were you, I'd save it. But because I'm not you, I'm going to do that. Right. So this is where we land. We're at FieldReady. Okay. This is me, Austin Powers. Shagadelic. Right, use Xero to assist with entering sales invoices, bills and expense claims. Right, so what do we actually use Xero for? Now, forget about invoices. We as users of Xero don't use invoices. What we use is bills. So imagine I want to get paid for my time in, let's say, March, right? We're at 14th of April. I've been a bit naughty. I haven't submitted my bill by the 10th, which is when you're supposed to submit it. So I type in my name here. Whoops, Austin Powers. Right. I'm going to be entering my time and effort for March. Okay, so I'm going to choose the end of March as the date because I've worked all these days, and so this is the last available day in March. And then every time we enter a bill, it's always due on the 25th of the following month. So here I'll write March or Mar 20. Please ignore my Teams messages. March 20 T&E report. Report. And then I'm gonna just assume this is a normal one, right? So time and effort is what we're doing. It's always in dollars, time and effort. Quantity, ignore my other buzzing as well. Buzzing and beeping all over the place today. Imagine I just billed to one grant. I've done 20 days this month, and the amount that I bill is $50 a day. I have to choose then what's the relevant field for me. So for me, I'm going to say local hire salaries. And then the donor, if you don't know the donor, you don't know where the money's coming from to pay you, then ask your line manager. I do know where the money's coming from to pay me. I did a month's work in Fiji. So the donor code is UNICEF, that's who's given the money to Field Ready to pay my salary, and the program code is Pacific. Okay, and it's already done the sum there, the $1,000. Now, imagine, I want to be a bit more specific. There. Imagine I hadn't just done 20 days for one donor. I've done 10 days for that donor and 10 days for another donor. Now my rate doesn't change. This is my day rate, so I've done 10 days at $50 a day. The rate doesn't change. It's based on your contract, and I'm still a local hire salary, so that won't change. But what will change is adding another donor here. So again, if you're in any doubt, then just ask your line manager what donors to charge to. They should have a full command of the budgets, and they should understand where to bill your time to. Amounts are always no tax, because you as the employee of Field Ready are, well, you're a contractor to Field Ready, so therefore you're responsible for your own taxes. Right, so I'm pretty much there, but we don't have any evidence attached to this. So I've got nothing here that is verifiable. Not yet, anyway. So I click this. This is the attacher document, and I will upload a file. So here you can see it's automatically open to time and effort reports. Now I could just automatically upload my file here, time and effort report, Ben Brisson, right? That's me. I'm not actually Austin Powers. But that isn't what we're going to do, because in Xero there's a golden rule. You cannot upload an editable file. It has to be a PDF. So I'm going to imagine I've got my PDF of my time and effort. I'm going to just double click and then it'll upload. Remember, don't do this. Remember, it has to be a PDF, it can't be editable. And then we've just imagined that I've done that. Okay, it's our little secret. If you've uploaded the wrong file, you can just delete using that little cross there. If you remove and save to file library, then it will save it for you. If you delete it, then it will be removed from Xero forever. It will still be where you found it initially, though. Right, so now I can save that, and that will be in draft bills. Okay, I haven't uploaded my PDF. Here it would say if I had an attachment, but I haven't got an attachment there, so that's not a completed bill. It's not ready yet to submit to my supervisor for approval. So here is the draft bill. You can click on it, and here, if you've done all the attachments, then you can, you've added all the attachments, you can then submit for approval, and that will be seen by your line manager, It will sit here until your line manager approves the bill. If there are any problems, they'll come back to you and they will ask you for more documentation or clarification. So there we go. We've gone from from opening an account in Xero to submitting your first time and effort report. Good luck.